Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a post type form using CubeWP. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to CubeWP and click on Post Type Form. When the window opens, you'll see the option to select a post type. Choose the post type for which you want to create a form. Next, drag and drop the fields you want to include in the post type form. Once you've arranged everything, don't forget to save your changes. After saving, CubeWP will display a shortcode for the form you created. Make sure to copy this shortcode, as you'll need it for the next step. Now, head over to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Create a new page and give it a name, such as Post Type. In the content area of the page, paste the shortcode you copied earlier. This will embed the post type form into your page. Finally, after adding the shortcode, click Publish to make the page live. And that's it. You've now successfully created a post type form using CubeWP and added it to a new page on your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.